See, this is our platform where I have showed you earlier also what are the features that we are going to provide you personally. But apart from it, we have a training area where we used to give flexibility to the students that they can come up and they can do their task on a daily basis with their own timings. Since from morning till evening they can choose a particular schedule and they can use their timing according to their want. When we enroll here, we have to give the password for this. So I will give here my password. So for example, when we are signing up here, we have to enroll now in this section where we need to put a password. That password will be provided to you when you are going to sign in over here. See, like this, you are having an interface where you can see the dates and the schedules that we are providing. According to this schedule, you can do your task of daily basis. Even when you particularly go to the June, July, or when you are going to this particular segment. For example, when you are enrolling now, enroll first, and when you are enrolled, start learning. When you start learning for the Tuesday of this date, particularly what we have TAT practice set. You can play from here, and
TAT test number on the screen.
this entire segment will start according to the timing, and when you are finishing with your timing, it will give a sound of one finish. Like this, you have a sound, and next image will be there, and like this, you have all 12 sets of TAT practice set. And what you can do over here, one more thing, that when you are going to choose the practice sets, you have the submission guideline over here only. These are the submission guidelines that you can see to submit also.
Public Wi-Fi Education. Perseverance. Willpower. Basic ethics. Guiding you towards success.